Hey, everybody. I saw a quote on Facebook yesterday that totally rocked my world. And the quote is clutter is postponed decisions. Clutter is postponed decisions. And my whole world, when I read that, kind of went, now I have clutter in some areas of my life, sometimes my desk, yeah, my closet for sure. Um, and This quote, I need to attribute the quote because this quote came from a woman by the name of Barbara Hemphill. And she is the founder of the Productive Environment Institute and she's written a bunch of books. I don't know Barbara. And this quote was from someone that she's a mentor to, Carrie Thomas. Anyway, I absolutely loved this. And in that shift in my brain, I realized some interesting things because you're probably going, okay, Sharon, you're a pain expert. What has clutter got to do with anything? Well, that quote caused me to make the connection between the clutter in my closet or the clutter on my desk and the emotional charge I have around making decisions. So, those of you who know me, when I work with pain, we are always working with the emotions that are underneath that because that's where the juice is. That's why my work is so effective. So, all of you out there who've got some clutter, and like I said, I've gotten better about it as I've grown older, but gosh, yeah, I, does that just resonate with you? I love that quote. I thank you, Barbara. So, for all of you out there who may have some clutter, let's do some tapping and kill two birds with one stone here. We're going to help you feel better about making decisions, and that may inspire you to clear off your desk or clean out that nasty junk drawer in the kitchen. So, tap along with me. We're going to do two things here. We're going to be using an acupuncture technique that makes use of no needles at all, called EFT tapping. And we're going to do some neurological work at the end of it. This is specific to me. It is work I created, and it's designed to make the tapping that we just did stick in your brain. It's designed to increase neuroplasticity. So let's just jump in here and do both. Just quick, before you work with me, be sure you've clicked show more below this video. I have some things for you, but my disclaimer is there. Continuing to work with me means you've agreed to my disclaimer. And don't forget to click down there because I have stuff for you. I have a free gift for you. I have an invitation to my private Facebook group where I'm working live on a regular basis, and members have immediate access to over 60 hours of the live replays. It's a great resource. I've got stuff for you. You want to click down there. And also be sure you subscribe to me here. Just hit the subscribe button. It just takes a second. That way you won't miss any time I produce new work. All right, so clutter, here we go. I've got a lot of clutter in my life. It's maybe showing up in my closets or on my desk. But I choose to be okay anyway. Even though I've got clutter, I allow myself to be okay anyway because I profoundly love and accept myself. Even though I've got all this clutter and I just don't know why. I can't seem to get past it. I completely love and accept myself. And I'm open to a new perspective on this now. What if it's possible that clutter is a representation of a fear I have around making decisions? I do feel challenged about decisions a lot of the time. Sometimes it's big decisions, sometimes it's little ones. I just don't want to make them. And I wonder if it's possible that that's turning up in my physical life as clutter. feels like it might be the case. And if that's what I have going on, mentally, emotionally, and physically, I can certainly use this tool called tapping to help myself feel better about making decisions. I'm always afraid of making the wrong choice. I'm afraid there'll be consequences that I can't deal with. So I frequently just don't make any choice at all. I give myself the permission to actually realize, though, that not making a decision is making a choice by default. I don't want to make my decisions by default. If I can let go of some of this fear, maybe that'll let me get back in the driver's seat of my own life. I've seen some consequences of decisions I made, things that didn't turn out very well. I forgive myself for making what I thought was a bad choice. I forgive myself, and I understand it's just a learning curve. And when we learn from something, we can always do better the next time. I give myself permission to stop beating myself up over not making decisions. It's safe to let that go. It's safe to let go of all that fear of what if. Because I'm a powerful human creator. I can always change my mind, and I can always choose something else. I allow myself to really take that in now at a deep level. I allow myself to let go of all this fear around decisions. It's safe to relax. It might even be safe to let go of some of the clutter in my life. And if being decision challenged was what was causing me to keep all this stuff around, all this clutter, I give myself permission to let go of that too. It'd feel really good to clean all that out. I allow myself to know how good people would feel receiving the stuff that I didn't want anymore. Not because it wasn't useful, but simply because I didn't want it anymore. I choose to give those things away and let them serve somebody else. I allow myself to clear out clutter with joy, confidence, even love for myself. I've been doing my best, and I didn't see the connection between these things. But now that I see the connection, I give myself permission to feel better about it. I'm back in control again because I completely love and accept myself. And I honor all the reasons I have clutter. They're a teaching tool. Hold your wrist points. Breathe. Okay, that felt pretty good to me. I hope it felt good for you. And now let's do a little brain work. Okay, so I want you to put your hands together here and just gently tap your fingertips together. And just keep doing that. And now repeat after me. I give myself permission to clear out all the emotions that are stuck underneath the clutter in my life. It's safe to let that stuff go now. It's safe for me to let go of those emotions, and it's safe for me to let go of the clutter. Now that I'm making the connection, it feels good to let it go. It's safe for me to let it go because I'm safe. Okay, now take the tip of your tongue and I want you to put it, just keep tapping. I want you to put it behind your upper teeth, your top teeth, and then slide it back just a little ways and you'll feel a series of ridges. Put the tip of your tongue there and let the rest of your tongue rest against the roof of your mouth. You'll really feel the entire roof of your mouth with your tongue. Go ahead and put it up there now. And we're going to hold it for a count of 10. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now that was designed to cause right-left brain communication. Now let's increase neuroplasticity. For that, we're going to take the tip of our tongue and put it on the roof of your mouth as far back as it will go. And for some of you, it may be on the hard palate, but if you can get to the soft palate, which is further back, that's great. So go ahead and do that now, and we'll hold that a count of 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can relax. You did great. You did really great. Now, don't forget to click show more below this because I have some stuff for you. I have some cool things for you. Don't forget to subscribe to me. There's a good reason for that. YouTube's algorithm shows my work to more people based on the number of subscribers that I have. And since the majority of my work is for pain, somebody who is looking for help that day might see some of my work and be helped by it because you took an extra 2 seconds to hit the subscribe button. Oh my gosh, is that a great reason? It is. So I'm Sharon Smith. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Stay tuned, subscribe. See you soon.